Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
My name is Ellie. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba. Nice to meet you.
Oh, beautiful name. I
Thank
like your
you.
makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like to do makeup?
Yeah, this is cough.
Yeah. Um, where are you calling from?
I am from India,
Oh, wow. India? Where in India?
Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. I don't get many calls from India.
Mm-hmm.
What time is it in India?
Oh, 1:48 a.m. Almost
Wow.
2 a.m.
Why are you awake?
So actually, I study at night.
Oh, why?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, not disturbance and
Oh, I
yeah,
see.
that's
Yeah.
yeah.
Right now I am in Arizona in America.
Oh wow, America.
Yeah.
Wow, nice
It is
place.
it is
Mhm.
1 p.m. p.m.
1 p.m. Oh,
Yeah.
afternoon.
Afternoon.
Oh, it's night here.
Yeah. Um, but I understand. Oftentimes I work at night like you
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
because it's peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So, what's your profession?
I am a teacher.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I
Another thing,
teach
other than that,
Chinese students.
your.
I teach Chinese students English.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Um, are you a student?
Yes,
Oh, what are you studying?
I am studying in 12th grade.
Oh, wow. You
Yes.
look older. You look older. University.
Yes.
Right. How do you like 12th grade?
uh, you asked me about subjects?
Yes. What do you like?
Yeah, I like English and I like Urdu.
Oh. That is what you speak where you live, Urdu?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Urdu is my own language.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, you know Urdu language?
No,
Mm-hmm.
no. Um, in Kashmir, are you Muslim? Muslim?
Yes, Muslim.
Is it Ramadan? Ramadan?
Yeah.
Ah, very good.
So after one day is coming Eid or festival.
Oh, yes,
Yes, I'm
wonderful,
very
wonderful.
happy.
Yes, you can eat a lot.
Yes, we
Very
have a
good.
lot of enjoy in it.
Yes,
Yes,
wonderful. Um,
yeah. So, what's your religion?
I am a thing called Catholic. Do you know it? Catholic?
No, I don't know.
Catholic is like
Christian.
Christian,
Yes, yes, yes,
but
yes. I know.
very strict. Very strict
Mm-hmm.
Christian.
Okay.
Yes.
Right now here is very cold.
Oh, really?
Winter, yes.
Oh, I didn't know it. Yes, you
So,
have long sleeves.
yeah.
Yeah. Um, Here it is hot. It is 38 C. 38 C.
Celsius. Oh, temperature. Oh,
Here.
hot, very hot.
Mm-hmm.
In summer?
Yeah, it is summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think you are married.
Yes, I'm married, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I saw your ring.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
But I do not have children yet.
Oh, why?
I just don't. I will have children soon, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
I have not been married very long, so
Mm-hmm.
um
So, how old are you?
I am 30.
30. Oh, so young now. Mm-hmm. You are
Yeah.
so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So are you.
Thank you so much. Uh, mm, you're originally yours?
Yes, yes. I use a product called Overtone. Whoops, Overtone. It is a conditioner.
Mm-hmm.
Conditioner. It puts
Yes,
a
yes.
color in
I
their hair.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah.
So, okay,
But,
what's your, yeah.
oh, go ahead.
Okay, what's your hobbies? What do you like to
I
do?
like to sew a picture. Sew a picture.
Painting?
Sew a picture. Sew a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this. I'll show you a
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
Like make
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So make for a baby.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah. My friends are having many babies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my friend had a baby yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday my friend had a baby. It's so cute.
Oh
I'll
my
show you.
God.
My friend had this baby. My friend had this baby.
Oh, very small.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so cute.
7 pounds. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I
So
don't know
you like,
kilograms. I don't know kilograms.
mm-hmm. You like
Uh,
baby?
Yes, I love babies. Yes.
Okay, no.
Yeah. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I like reading, I like painting, and I like cooking as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. I like painting too. I am not good at it, but I like it.
Yeah, me too. I like.
So, your English is very good. You study at school?
Yes, actually, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Do you like it so far?
Yes. Sorry?
You like it so far?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
you study English in school every day?
Yes, but my teachers are not speak English with
Oh.
students.
Oh.
They speak mostly Urdu language.
Oh, I
Yes.
see.
So that's why I joined the Cambly and
Oh, very
I am
good.
practicing speaking English in here.
I think you are doing great. It was so nice to meet you today.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Time is over.
I know.
Okay,
I hope
bye-bye.
you call me again sometime.
Yes, of course. Bye.